What's good, traders? I hope you're all doing well and enjoying the breakout or fake out content. I truly appreciate the support. Let's get to it. The Qs were down 1.14% today, but don't let that number fool you. Sellers controlled the early part of the session, buyers answered back into the close, and now the market is forcing both sides to prove themselves. Starting with the daily candle swept below 704.32 and even undercut 695.25, but it closed back above 704.32. That makes the low important, but it does not confirm a full breakdown by body close. Overhead, the chart still has structural resistance sitting at 732.62 and again at 748.65. Below price, the demand area runs from 695.25 to 713.15, and that upper boundary at 713.15 is the first major area buyers need to reclaim. Dropping down to the hourly, sellers controlled the early structure, then buyers responded from the lower part of the session range. The active lower zone is 686.39 to 700, and the overhead zone is 714.05 to 725.66. The late bounce was strong enough to matter, but the chart still needs acceptance back through resistance before momentum shifts. My current lean is neutral. Sellers created pressure by driving price under 704.32, but buyers defended the close back above that level. Buyers need to reclaim 713.15, then push through the 714.05 to 725.66 overhead zone before upside control improves. Sellers need to take 704.32 back with authority for downside pressure. The invalidation level for the recovery attempt is 686.37. Now, down to the 5-minute. The Qs finished with a strong push into the close from the lower range. That late move showed buyers were active, but the cleanest setup now depends on whether price can hold above 704.32 and reclaim 713.15 with conviction. Above 713.15, the next upside test is the overhead zone from 714.05 to 725.66. If buyers can clear that zone, 732.62 becomes the next structural resistance. Below 704.32, pressure can rotate back towards 695.25 and 686.37. Between those levels, the chart is still forcing patience. Do not chase the bounce just because it looked dramatic. Let price prove whether the late recovery was real strength or only a reaction from a stretched sell-off. Patience is not passive when the level is doing the talking. If today's breakdown gave you a clearer picture of the market, hit that like button and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel moving forward and keeps these recaps coming every session. Stay patient, stay disciplined, stay sharp.